a wolf that looks like a fox. The Ethiopian wolf lives an isolated life. These wolves face their prey alone. A giant mole rat. There are rodents everywhere, but hunting here is no picnic. There's no hiding an orange-coloured wolf in this open landscape. And the grass rats are hyper-vigilant. The mole rats are careful to never fully leave their burrows. This one plays a waiting game. This one tackles the challenge head-on. This wolf doesn't care if the prey go underground. He huffs and puffs. Blowing down the holes like this, he hopes to flush his prey to the surface. Genius! But it's only a meagre grass rat. Catching the larger mole rat requires a bit more craftiness. Luckily for the wolf, there's always one that's tempted to go a bit too far. At last.